In this video, we will demonstrate Flowmon ADS capabilities on the following use case. User returns from a business trip where he was connecting to various unsecured networks and his device has been compromised. Now user connects the device into the corporate network. You want to detect such a device in a timely manner to avoid the attack from propagation in your environment, potentially leading to a massive security incident. Anomaly detection system looks for footprints that attackers leave in the network traffic and present those footprints in form of security events. A summary created by built-in AI-powered cybersecurity analyst indicates that IP address 150 requires our attention due to high threat score. Also, we can see that we do have several critical event types detected that are new and were not detected previously. Let's take a look at list of hosts sorted by threat score. Now let's zoom in on that device 150. Mid-array attack tactics and techniques associated with the device indicate that the device is compromised and we need to take action. So let's explore what the device was doing in the network. The device was brute forcing various servers that were previously discovered through different types of network scans. It also looks like the device was able to gather some interesting sensitive data and exfiltrate those data over the network. So let's focus on this specific event that indicates exfiltration over an alternative protocol. Let's drill down into event details and let's understand and explore this specific event. So Flowmon ADS identified an anomaly in ICMP traffic that is based on a payload. It's not expected that ICMP packets will carry a substantial payload. In this case, there was more than 16,000 packets that were basically full of data. By the lens of mid-array attack framework, this is classified as exfiltration over an alternative protocol. We can see that the target of that exfiltration is a known malicious IP located somewhere outside of our network. Now we can explore the context of that event. We can look into so-called event evidence, which shows us the network traffic, and based on this network traffic, the event was detected. We also have at hand related intrusion detection events, so events that were detected by signature-based detection that are relevant for this anomaly. And we can see that previously this compromised device 150 actually exploited an RDP server using a BlueKeep vulnerability. We also have at hand traffic records, which represent full packet traces of that activity for a subsequent forensic analysis. This way, you can leverage Flowmon ADS to detect and report on malicious threat actors that breached your preventive measures and are now active in your environment. Early detection and response helps you to prevent the attack to progress further, and you can neutralize the threat as soon as possible.